Why people keep saying that Chainsaw Man is copy of many anime like Jujutsu Kaisen, Dorohedoro and Black Torch? People started questioning this because of Chainsaw Man creator Tatsuki Fujimoto. When Chainsaw Man anime adaptation was officially announced, Tatsuki Fujimoto himself said that Chainsaw Man is like copycat of Jujutsu Kaisen and Dorohedoro. I don't know what he was thinking that time. Because of that, fans started finding similarities in both anime, and even some anime and manga fans found that Chainsaw Man is similar to other manga as well, like Black Torch. If you take a look on Chainsaw Man, you will see a lot references of Hollywood movies. Like you can see on screen, Bowling Alley scene is similar, and this table scene also you can see that it's kinda similar. If we just forget that, it could be coincidence, because if you start finding that closely, you will see similar scene in almost all anime. Sometimes it's intentional, sometimes just coincidence. Now let's first compare with Jujutsu Kaisen. Yes, in both anime, you will see group of people or team, whatever you say, who fights with evil things. Their look is kinda similar, like you can say in both anime they wear black suit, but it's not fair comparison, it's really common thing. Denji gets his power after Pochita goes inside his body, and Itadori gets his power after Sukuna finger goes inside his body. In both anime you will see collecting a part of anime, which is really rare. Like in Jujutsu Kaisen they collect fingers. In the Chainsaw Man, Makima asked Denji to collect the piece of Gun Devil. The way things goes is kinda similar. But overall, I don't think that it is considered as copying. It is more like inspiration, or you can say that that's how all dark fantasy anime goes. You will see same things in Demon Slayer as well. So if Jujutsu Kaisen is different, what about Dorohedoro? Dorohedoro is kinda similar to Chainsaw Man as well. Like you can see, Shin and Noi is kinda similar to Denji and Power. Both works in duo and their clothing style is same as well. But apart from that, not much similarities in both anime. Like seriously, Chainsaw Man is completely different from Jujutsu Kaisen and Dorohedoro. But what about Black Torch? Even Tatsuki Fujimoto didn't mention about Black Torch, but fans found that if we gotta compare Chainsaw Man with any manga, then it's definitely Black Torch. Many people don't know about Black Torch manga because it's not that famous. In Chainsaw Man, Denji have a strong demon dog Pochita. They are really good friends because Denji saved life of Pochita. In Black Torch, main character Jiro Azuma's story is exactly same. He had cat who is really strong, and that cat name is Raigo. They are really good friends because Jiro saved life of that cat. In Chainsaw Man, Denji was fighting really strong enemy and he almost died. And to save his life, Pochita merged his body into Denji's body, and that's how Denji gets his power. Now if you take a look on Black Torch, Jiro was fighting strong enemy as well. He almost died. And to save his life, Raigo the cat merged his body. That's how Jiro gets his power. Like seriously, when I was reading both manga, I was completely shocked. Why it's too similar? It's like Tatsuki Fujimoto replaced that cat with dog and exactly copied the story. But just first few edition of Black Torch and Chainsaw Man is exactly same, like almost identical. They both join group after getting power and they fight with evil things. Black Torch manga came in 2016 and Chainsaw Man manga came in 2018. 2 years gap between both mangas. But Chainsaw Man story starts getting different after few episodes. Like after 5 episodes, it's not similar to Black Torch. So you can say that even though starting episode is exactly same, I will say even copied, but after that story is completely different. If you are manga reader, I recommend you to read Black Torch so you can understand the difference and decide by yourself. Overall, when Tatsuki Fujimoto said that it's copy of Jujutsu Kaisen and Dorohedoro, I think he was just kidding, because he knew after watching Chainsaw Man, people will realize that it's not similar, it's kinda different, so he was just joking that time. But what he didn't mention is Black Torch. It's really hard for me to digest that story is that similar. So in conclusion, I will say starting of Chainsaw Man is copied from Black Torch, and mid and end story is different, but still in mid and end you will see a lot references from other anime. I will give a mark to writer. The way he mixed things and added his own thoughts and idea was really impressive, and at the end we got really good anime. I will leave up to you to decide now. For more comparison video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in comment section, do you think it's fair to take inspiration and references from other anime and manga?